irima. Woo! Chineke irima. Okay, this guy right here is going to show us how to play Makossa lines. So learn them and use them for your praises in church. Let's go. So okay. So what is the chord progression?
The chord progression is do,
so far. Which key are you playing in?
I'm playing on G.
G. All right.
So do so far so. So I'm playing for do. I'm playing the do here. So remember this your F chord here.
Okay.
So I'm playing it step by step. So
okay. Da da da.
So
awesome. Next line, show us something else.
So
let's do for something like hey, my God is good, oh.
yeah.
Hey, my God is good, oh. Okay.
So is La. Now remember that F chord we did for the previous one. You play it step by step to here. So
Fa, then stop to da, so, fa, da 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 da. All right. Amazing. Another one.
and
Number 3 now.
which song?
Let's still do for the same progression.
Okay. Okay. You can pick. So you can pick something like.
Okay. This one is even easier than the rest. Da 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 da. Fa la la, sa sa ti, fa fa la, da da da, fa fa la. Okay. So I love this. Give us another one that is picking, not like the other one that has.
Okay. You can play. Okay, you can use your pentatonic scale.
Okay.
But it will be a bit fast. So something like.
Okay.
So
slower. Let's hear. Okay. Okay. So if you notice, if you are watching this video, if you notice, he's using the effect he's using has.
Yeah, it has
reverb and delay. That's what's giving it that Makossa vibe. This is a Knox MG100. So, yep. So let's go to number 4.
You can for a song like carry me they go.
Yeah, man, carry me they go, they go, they go. Play it, let's hear.
So
carry me they go. Jehovah, carry me they go, they go. So show them how you're playing it.
You're not playing it step by step. You're just once if you slide here from your saw. You understand?
Okay.
Then if you want to pick, you can.
Okay, so Chineke.
Okay, I'll show
Chineke
you
Idima.
something very simple, and you thank him for this. So after normally you start with after okay, help me sing.
Chineke Idima. Woo! Chineke Idima.
So this
Woo!
Dolare ti fami.
Slow down.
Dolare ti fami.
Also.
Dolare
Ti fami. Chineke. So show us something the same for the same chord progression. Okay?
So mi do la re ti so fa fa mi. So the mi you
Slide.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you're going back to that line. Okay, this is another line.
So fa fa so mi so fa fa so mi. Go back to
Okay. Okay. Awesome. So this is Jeff. Jeff has been showing us a lot, and in the next video we're going to show you other lines. Maybe we're going to try high life in the next one. So if you enjoy watching this video and want to watch more, don't forget to subscribe and follow Jeff with his profile below. Subscribe to his channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.